Tired of dropped calls and complicated phone systems? Let's ditch the chaos and set up a seamless SIP trunk between Asterisk and Telnyx to revolutionize your business communications. First, log into your Telnyx portal, navigate to the voice section, and then select SIP connections. Click on Create SIP Connection. Give your connection a descriptive name. For example, Asterisk trunk. Choose a credential type, which is usually IP authentication. This will allow your Asterisk server to connect based on its IP address. Now, enter your Asterisk server's public IP address in the IP address field. Make sure this IP static, or your connection might break when your IP changes. Then, click Create SIP Connection. Next, head over to your Asterisk server. Open your sip.conf file. You'll need to add a new trunk configuration. This defines how Asterisk will communicate with Telnyx. Define a new trunk. Setting type equals friend. Host equals sip.conf. Context equals from Telnyx. This directs incoming calls to a specific dial plan. And single quotes DTMF mo equals FC2833 for reliable DTMF transmission. Finally, configure your dial plan in extensions.conf to handle inbound and outbound calls using this trunk. For inbound calls, ensure the context equals from Telnyx directs calls to the appropriate extensions. For outbound calls, set up a dial pattern that uses the Telnyx trunk.